U-turn na, U-turn.
Kaya ng preno niya eh.
At saka mas makamit naman yung kahit na dumudulas.
Straight! Oh, slow down! Sharp turn, ha? Oh, oversteer. Oh, slow down. Oh, relax. Overtake, ha? Overtake. Hazard siya. Overtake. Go. S. Putang ina, sayang yung oras natin! Ano ba yan? Eh, slow down! U-turn! You! Don't waste time! Come on! Do it! Don't oversteer! Full tayo! Full! Straight tayo! Straight! Go for 200! Go! Don't be shy, baby! Don't be shy! Slow down now! Slow! Oh, don't oversteer! Watch your curve!
Putang ina ka.
Okay, nice one. Oh, slow down.
Nice quotes.
Oh, S. Go! Oh, watch for the U.
Sabihin na, sabay-sabay lang.
Slow down.
Pare-pareho lang rin. Oo. Hindi tayo naiwanan.
Pare, 5 pa tayo.
Bigat ng likod eh.
Baba kami mamaya sa mo.
Last lap. Go. Okay, hit the brake.
Final lap na talaga. Cool down na tayo,
Oh. Pull down. Nice one.
Lakas, no?